period, as we have seen, and the traces of this time are still visible today. Thank you. So, and the next chair was Gary Johnston, but as you know, he comes from the other side of the earth, and from Sydney, Bern is not just down the road, and that's why he couldn't make him. But something what I remember in his era is that Urs was successful to find a successor for the ACC position by convincing the IGS group to extend their period to a second term. But then in Gary's era this ended, and the IGS was very close to the point that we didn't have an ACC. And we had already discussions on potential emergency scenarios, and then just from the blue sky, Jerry came up. I have an ACC position with Michael Moore and the power in the background to do this job, and they started this together with Tom Herring, and this is still the situation today, that this combination GA and MIT do this ACC position, and we are now looking for the successor. More on this in the closing session tomorrow, but the cool situation is, for the first, since a very long time, we have really to make a choice between several candidates. And this shows somehow that there is still a big interest in doing something for the IGS. And that Gary is not here today doesn't matter too much, because he introduced the position of a vice chair. And this vice chair was Felix, and later in 2020 he became the chair of the IGS. And if you can to say something, then it would be nice.